Hello everyone. You'll all have seen the news over the last few days about the new Omicron variant of COVID-19 in parts of the UK. We've continued to see new variants emerging throughout the pandemic, so the arrival of another variant is not completely unexpected. At the moment, we know very little about it, and while we learn more, it's really important we do everything we can to stay safe. We know the actions we've become familiar with throughout the pandemic are effective at minimising transmission. And that's why the government has introduced a number of new measures to help control transmission of the virus. These include making face coverings compulsory in places like shops and on public transport, changing the rules around self-isolation so all contacts of Omicron cases will need to self-isolate for 10 days regardless of their vaccine status. Anyone who enters the UK is now required to take a PCR test within 48 hours of their arrival and self-isolate until they get a negative result, and advising additional temporary measures for schools. In addition, the JCVI has advised on changes to the vaccination programme, which mean that the booster programme will be extended to all 18 to 39-year-olds. The gap between the second dose and the booster is reduced to 3 months. Young people aged 12 to 15 years will be offered a second dose of the vaccine no sooner than 12 weeks after their first dose. And severely immunosuppressed individuals who have received 3 primary doses will now also be offered a booster dose. Doing all of these things will help to protect ourselves and each other, so I would ask everyone to continue to play their part. Please take up all recommended doses of the vaccine as soon as you are eligible. If you're covered in these latest announcements, the NHS will let you know when it's your turn, so please wait to be contacted. The latest information about eligibility and appointments is always at www.nhs.uk/coronavirus. Please make sure to follow the legal requirement to wear face covering when in public places like shops and on public transport. Take an LFT test regularly, and especially before you go out and about. This type of testing helps find people who are carrying COVID and could spread it without knowing. Stay safe, and thank you for everything you continue to do to protect Sunderland and our local community.